Hello guys, today's video is about how to stop a leak of a fuel tank that leaks like this. So you see some droplets over there and this thing just started leaking. And I love driving on gravel roads, mostly if the tire hits something or maybe it just flew off and hit the tank. So that's why I say I removed the coat just to see it clearly, so you can see the fuel splashing everywhere. So let me see the gauge. So I'll turn the gauge on. So my tank went from
full tank
to that within a half day. So I didn't drive, I just took my car here. So I let me check it so that the fuel can lean out to the other side and leave this part free, not having fuel tank that leaks. So it goes to the other side. What you need to do is to clean off all the fuel that leaks and make sure that you peel off the cord before putting the something I need to use here to stop the leak. So I grab my 240 grit sandpaper and clean it off every debris and stop that my cause my paste not to bond well.
So in order to be sure that this place was cleaned completely, I will go ahead and use a white rag and or tissue paper. So I will be using different types of pieces doing the stain comparison. So the last piece that will come out with no stain will indicate that the surface was well cleaned and ready for the paste I want to use to stop the leak. So it will be indicate that it is ready to be applied. So yeah, let's try it, guys.
The dripping liquid you see dripping right here is the degreaser. I used it after using sandpaper to make sure that no trace of debris or grease get left behind and cause some issues when I'm applying my paste. I make sure I wiped off thoroughly, repeating so many pieces of tissue paper until it becomes as dry as possible. As you can see, the last tissue paper that will come with no stains. That's where I'll start to prepare my paste and apply it. Hope this one is going to be my last one. Let's check how it is going to come out. You see, that's clear. So now it's time to prepare my paste. This is a regular steel epoxy comes with the hardener, and you mix two parts together 50-50 and start to mold it around the leak, around the opening. So let's see how it's going to work. So this is how everything looks like after mixing these two parts together. So for people who don't have this or don't know this in their countries, or I don't know where they stay, I recommend you can use JB Weld. So there is another thing that you can use that is called JB Weld. Is a paste like this, and this is much stronger. I think much stronger than this one, because yeah. So for here, this is how to mold everything around, and I trust this thing 100% for, especially for tanks and every stuff. And this is going to live here the rest of the car's life, and
To not peel off.
as long as you following the steps and instructions, it's going to be as hard as steel. But I feel like this can work the same as JB Weld. So yeah, after here I'm gonna stay some couple of days, and I'm gonna show you how it look like after maybe a week.
So after applying it, I left my car hanged for about 3 to 4 hours until this thing was completely cured. And after that, I made a durability test for filling up the tank after 5 hours.
After a week and some couple of days, here is our results, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and remember to check all my videos. My channel is about to instruct people how to create things, or how to fix the vehicle on their own. So thanks for watching. I love you.